Hi friends, I am Shri Priya. Welcome to my channel Bharat Kathas. Today we are going to understand an important editorial titled Wetlands as National Public Good. I will explain everything in very simple words. First, understand what are wetlands. Wetlands are areas where land and water meet. In wetlands, water may be present throughout the year or only during some seasons. Examples of wetland include lakes, ponds, mangroves, marshes, and floodplains. Why wetlands are national public goods? Let us understand. Public goods means something that benefits everyone, not just one person. Wetlands are public goods because they help prevent floods. They recharge groundwater. They support fishing and farming livelihoods. They improve water quality naturally. Since everyone benefits, wetlands should be protected by the government for the entire nation. World Wetlands Day 2026. It is observed every year on 2nd of February. The theme for this year is Wetlands and Traditional Knowledge. This theme highlights how traditional practices have helped protect wetlands for centuries. India has a long history of protecting wetlands using traditional knowledge. In Tamil Nadu, people created kulams, which are tank irrigation systems. These tanks are connected in chains and help both irrigation and flood control. In Kerala, people use kennis, which are traditional wells. In Andhra Pradesh, wetlands support traditional fishing. These examples show that people protected nature even without modern laws. Why wetlands are in danger? Despite their importance, wetlands are in danger because wetlands lie between land, water, and development. Due to urbanization and constructions, wetlands are easily encroached and filled for buildings and roads. Important data to remember from this article. Around 40% of India's wetlands have been lost in last 30 years, and about 50% of remaining wetlands are degraded. This depicts that development has happened without environmental balance. Let us discuss some laws related to wetlands mentioned in this editorial in simple words. Wetlands Conservation and Management Rules 2017. These rules aim to identify and officially notify wetlands, ban encroachments and dumping of waste, restrict constructions and harmful activities around wetlands. The problem is not about lack of law, but weak implementation. Next, let us discuss about NPCA. It stands for National Plan for Conservation of Aquatic Ecosystems. It focuses on better planning, regular monitoring, and achieving real outcomes in wetlands conservation. And next law is CRZ framework. Coastal Regulation Zone protects coastal wetlands and mangroves. It restricts construction near coastal areas to protect fragile ecosystems. Next, let us discuss about Ramsar Convention. It is an international treaty signed in 1971. It focuses on wetlands of global importance. Ramsar sites are not just tags. They come with responsibility to protect and manage wetlands properly. Let us see what are the major causes of degradation. They are encroachments and land fillings, dams and river channelization, sewage and solid waste dumping, mining and over extraction of groundwater. Now let us see climate change angle. Climate change has made the problem worse. Sea level rise and cyclones are increasing. Destroying wetlands also increase disaster risk. Next, let us discuss about governance and capacity issues. One major problem is governance failure. There is weak implementation of laws, poor monitoring and enforcement. The editorial suggests some solutions. We must shift from short-term projects to long-term programs. Sewage should be treated before entering wetland. Catchment areas and water flow must be protected. Technology and community. Technology can help conserve wetlands. Satellite mappings and drones can improve monitoring. At the same time, community participation is essential. Let us see the final conclusion. Wetlands are living ecosystems, not empty lands. They are crucial for water security and climate resilience. This is why editorial says wetlands must be treated as national public goods. Thank you for watching.